How much years again are you to a mango?
53 years.
A Linstead man spent 50 years in prison without trial. He is now enjoying mangoes. The residents of Linstead in St. Catherine spent much of today enjoying some things he missed during the 50 years he spent in prison without trial on a basis that he was mentally unfit to plead. George Williams, 71, was in prison awaiting trial for the murder of a tourist, a crime he was accused of committed in the Mount Roster area of St. Catherine in July 1970. He was released from prison yesterday after a human rights group, Stand Up For Jamaica, hired a lawyer, Issa Buchanan, to pursue the case. When the matter was mentioned in the St. Catherine Parish Court yesterday, DPP Paula Llewellyn said the criminal proceedings were being discontinued because Williams is still unfit to plead.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Yeah.
How much years now again are you to a mango, Uncle George?
53 years.
How much years again are you to a mango?
53 years.
Wow, that's a long time, don't Uncle?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, enjoy your stringy mango, right?
Yeah.
Alright, Uncle.